Join the trend of making a long silver chain tassel necklace a stylish DIY accessory featuring a circular pendant and elegant chain tassels. It's modern, versatile, and perfect for adding flair to any outfit. For this project, we will need a large link cable chain to support the pendant and create the hanging tassel effect. Measure your long silver cable chain to your desired length, depending on your style and how low you want it to hang. After measuring your desired chain length, use a pair of flat nose pliers and wire cutters to carefully open and cut the chain at the correct length for a clean finish. Measure another piece of chain that is equal in length to the first one. Use wire cutters to cut it precisely, ensuring both chains match perfectly for a balanced design. Cut the chains to your preferred length using wire cutters, ensuring they match and suit your desired necklace style. Prepare the circular pendant, making it ready for easy attachment to the chain or tassel. Use the end link of the chain to attach the circular pendant directly, replacing the need for a jump ring. Open the end link of the chain, insert it into the circular pendant, then close it tightly. Repeat the same process by opening the end link of the other chain using pliers, attaching it to the pendant, and securely closing the link to hold it firmly. Lay your necklace flat on a smooth surface to keep it steady and aligned, making assembly easier and more precise. Cut the last piece of chain to about 6 inches, or your desired length, to create the hanging tassel effect. Open the last link at the end of the chain using pliers, insert it into the pendant and close it securely. This chain will act as a tassel. Open a jump ring, insert it into the end of the chain, add the lobster clasp, and close it securely. Open the last jump ring, insert it into the end of the chain, and close it tightly. This forms the necklace closure. Check for any gaps in jump rings or chain links and ensure everything is securely closed to prevent the necklace from falling apart. Your trendy silver long necklace tutorial is complete, featuring a circular pendant with a chain tassel. It's elegant, easy to make, and a stunning statement piece for any outfit. Click on the next video to explore more trendy necklace tutorials and learn how to create stylish designs step by step. Thanks for watching. Share.